Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. My name is Joanne and let's connect here on YouTube and Instagram at Shop Luxe and I'll link it here for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. In this video, I am so excited to share with you the new addition to my collection. It's this one. I am so excited to finally get a hold of this rare beauty. This is such a popular item because of its functionality. It's very cute and I have been stocking Louis Vuitton online and it's always sold out. I am so thankful for Mary LVee Lux because she's always messaging me on Instagram and whenever this item is available online. But because of time difference, I am not able to go online and purchase this. I also asked my sister's SA to put me on the waiting list just in case you have it in store. And it's been months now and I still haven't gotten a call from him. So on Thanksgiving Day, my friend was going to Las Vegas and so I asked her if I could have her check out the Louis Vuitton in Aria because it's a 3-level Louis Vuitton store there in Las Vegas. So I was hoping that she'll find it there and fortunately she was able to find it for me. So I'm so excited to show you what's inside here. Let's unbox this together. This is the new design of the Louis Vuitton paper bag. I think it's really cute and colorful. It comes with the receipt and the card from my SA. And here it is. Let's take off the bow. And it says Louis Vuitton on the box. And here it is. Comes in dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton on the dust bag. And I am so excited that I finally got a hold of this cute mini pochette in Monogram. This is such a cute SLG and it's very functional and versatile. I've seen a lot of videos of this on YouTube and they really love this because it's very useful. It comes with a tag also. It says here it's made with a coated fabric cowhide leather trim and this is the inside of the bag and there is the little date code and it is in Monogram. Here's the front, the side, the back, and the other side. Here's the bottom and here is the top. It has a vachetta tab that says Louis Vuitton and it's made in Spain. It's in gold hardware, gold zipper, open and close very smoothly. Can you hear that? I love it. The strap is not detachable, but you can use it as a wristlet, like so. Use it as a catch-all or like a mini bag just to run errands with your cards and your lipstick, your car key. So here I have a few straps that I could use. A silver chain, a gold thin chain. I also have a thick chain. This is from the Coach Cassie 19. And I also have this Louis Vuitton vachetta strap. Okay, so let's try using this gold strap. Just hook it here on both sides. You can just purchase this strap on Amazon. I'll wear this as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. You can wear it also on the crook of your arm, or you can also do double chain. It is just too cute. I think I'm gonna give this to my daughter. This one for the youngest one and this one is for my 10-year-old. And they can be twinsies. like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one.